Huawei's audio game has vastly improved since the release of FreeBuds 3 last year. In the year 2020, Huawei has a fantastic audio lineup ranging from the pleasant sound of FreeBuds Pro to the high-quality FreeBuds Pro. By 2020, however, the company has used the FreeBuds Studio as the first product on its full-fledged headphones line. The timing is perfect because Apple made a similar announcement about its own AirPod Max, which is one of the FreeBuds Studio's main rival. I have already made the unboxing of the FreeBuds Studio. If you have missed to watch, then not to worry, the link is available in the description. But if you are new to the channel, then definitely you have to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because as you know, it's free. Okay, let's get started. The 260 grams FreeBuds Studio available in gold and black and is very lightweight given its size. The claimed 24-hour playback with ANC is achieved by a 410 mAh battery which is charged through a USB Type-C port on the right side. Sound is derived from these two 40mm dynamic drivers with 4 Hz to 48 kHz operating frequency that go beyond the sound range heard by human ears. With 6 microphones inside the headphones, intelligent and dynamic noise cancellation is possibly the other hardware elements, including the Bluetooth 5.2 radios, 3 buttons, that is 2 to the right for power and Bluetooth button, a touchpad to the back of the right for gesture alongside a microphone sensor, a capacitance sensor, that is the HUAWEI sensor, and a premium audio codec chip. All about the FreeBuds Studio seems premium from the moment the headphones are unboxed, including the price. They come in a comfortable carrying case that provides security when traveling, but remember, it's not leather. The top part of the headband is made of smooth plastic, while the bottom part of the headband is vegan leather, gently tucked in the center. The speaker cushions are also made of vegan leather that is in contact with the ears. The cushions are smooth to touch and very comfortable to wear. The chassis is made of metal and is very precise and tight to adjust the two cans up and down. The back of the can and the exterior shell are both made of polycarbonate, but the overall look and feels are superior. When you find the right match for your head size, you need to make sure that your ear fit well with the cushion. It's an easy match, but for optimal isolation and audio quality, we sometimes had to change a little bit. After doing all that, you will be surprised at how light and soft they sound. You will probably forget you are wearing them after a period of time, which is the complete opposite to any other headphones where they become difficult to wear after some time. This may be more of a personal experience or concern, but after wearing the FreeBuds Studio for a long period, I didn't start to sweat, which is a rare case on overhead headphones. It takes a little time to get used to the button positions on both the sides, but after a few hours of use, you will get used to them. The downside is that the cushion do not appear to be detachable, which could raise some wear issues over the time. In case you're liking this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. The 40mm dynamic drivers live up to the expectations. However, as I mentioned earlier, you must make sure that the fit is right for the drivers to shine. Why does it matter so much? Huawei uses a T-audio tube that links inner ear space to a sound cavity at the front and back. Besides regulating air pressure between your ears, the TAT structure can also filter out a low and high frequency noise for a relaxed wearing experience. In simpler words, all this means that the can sounds good. You should be assured that you can hear both the lowest bass and the highest hisses with a very large frequency response. With the hi-fi standard in mind, Huawei developed the FreeBuds Studio. The audio codec chip, which has less distortion and less noise while having greater dynamic range, adds to the driver's ability. You must ensure that the source, that is your music, is of good quality to use the headphones to their maximum capacity. As far as audio quality is concerned, music lovers know that the overall quality is as strong as the weakest components. It doesn't matter how hi-fi your headphones are when the music of your playback is of low quality. But you will be more than pleased with the audio quality of FreeBuds Studio when you play back lossless or very high bitrate encoded music. These are some of the music format that is available on the internet, and it might help you to know about the better quality audios. The L2HC codec allows headphones to transmit audio to velocity up to 960 kilobytes per second. This is more than twice the frequency, nearly quadrupling the transmission speed of the 24-bit AAC codec. All you need to know is that you won't be fooled if you are not so much in the technology or all the words I have just mentioned. You love the sounds that you hear, and you can even listen to the parts of the song that you have never known they were. The FreeBuds Studio features Huawei's active noise cancellation system like other products from the FreeBuds and FreeLace family from the recent earphones. You can fine-tune the ANC in the AI Life app, select Ultra, Cozy and General modes if you have a recent Huawei or Honor phones. These instruct the ANC depending on your environment to be more or less aggressive. If you are using the FreeBuds Studio with the non-Huawei or Honor phones, then you can choose only one of the following three modes, that is the ANC on or awareness and ANC off. Awareness mode will allow ambient sound to pass through, so you will still be conscious of your surroundings when listening to music. Voice mode, which you can activate with the AI Life app, will only allow human voices to pass through while blocking the rest of the environmental sounds. Noise cancellation is also applied to phone calls. FreeBuds Studio uses 6 microphones to make your calls easier. Huawei says the 4 outward-facing mics effectively pick up the human voices from the background noise based on the beamforming technique. The other 2 inward-facing mics collect the voice in ear and avoid strong wind interference. Overall, when I speak about the phone calls, let it be WhatsApp, Facebook, Duo calls, I heard people well, and I was heard loud and clear on the other end of the calls as well. While the whole experience differs, the FreeBuds Studio provides a superior UX based on the type of telephone you are using. I mean, your experience is of course the greatest when combined with the recent Huawei phones. When you get used to the gestures available on the touchpad, which are located on the back of the right can, and you no longer need to have direct access to your phones. The gestures are intuitive and the curves of learning is smooth. Audio volume is raised or decreased by swiping up and down. Swiping backward and forward brings you to the last and next song. Double tapping serves as a play, pause or answer and call buttons. The wear detection features also adds to the experience. The FreeBuds Studio knows whether you wear it or not, and after the headphones are removed, the music stops automatically and starts until you wear them on. I tested the FreeBuds Studio for both pairing and overall experience with my Nova 7i and Samsung Note 10 Plus, and also with my desktop computer. The dual device connectivity features in the FreeBuds Studio allow you to connect simultaneously to 2 devices. The pairing with the Huawei device is seamless. Similar to the other FreeBuds, the Studio is detected automatically and asked to pair the headphones, thanks to the pop-up pairing feature which searches, finds and offers to connect to the FreeBuds Studio. With the AI Life, it's all about tweaking the settings as per your likes. On the other side, pairing with non-Huawei phones and desktop PCs, you have to manually start the pairing mode using the Bluetooth button available on the right can. You can still allow or disable noise cancellation and turn awareness mode using an ANC button on the left side. There should be no questions about the battery life. As for my use, the Huawei's claim was reasonably close. Though I was not able to test it in one go, it offers 24 hours of playback when ANC is off and nearly 20 hours of playback when ANC is on. To charge the battery, we get a USB Type-C in the box which takes 1 hour to charge fully. With the quick charge of 10 minutes, we'll have a backup of 8 hours of music playback. I was delighted with the FreeBuds Studio wireless headphones. They look fantastic, they deliver excellent quality build and sound quality with right up their rivals. The noise cancellation works well and the battery life makes the tunes play without the charge all day. It would have been cool to add a 3.5mm jack option for a wide connection as well. This is the strategy of Huawei in the recent past, and this is what Huawei FreeBuds Studio continues to do as well. On screen you can see the different prices of the FreeBuds Studio in the market. To conclude these are the pros and cons of the headphones. It has a great design, good battery life, excellent audio quality, top-notch noise cancelling, touch gestures are amazing, multi-device connection is one of the wonderful thing, and there is a wear detection. On the con side, there is no IP rating, so you have to be careful in the rain. Some features are exclusive to the Huawei phones, and only 2 color options are available. And one of the major con, I will say, that cushions are not replaceable. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next one. Until then, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's meet in the next one. Until then, this is Manish.